2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, running boards, power steering, air conditioning, front, floor mats, anti-theft security system, cruise control, rear defrost, fog lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.